We're here, West Allis, West Milwaukee School District. We have just completed our first day of staff development for our balanced math cohort. We went through today lots of things. We challenged mental models people had about math instruction. We really took a close hard look at what our math instruction looks like currently. And then we spent the rest of the day unpacking the new Common Core standards and really analyzing what do students need to know, understand, and be able to do. What you'll hear now, we had all of the participants share a little comment or something that they took away from the day, so enjoy.
Okay, well, we worked on unpacking some Common Core standards today in the area of math and decimal understanding for 4th and 5th graders. And just one comment I had was just the emphasis on skills versus big understandings and how the kids need to really understand what these numbers mean. And so when we break it down into these 3 columns, this middle column, these big understandings are much more important than the method we are teaching them. It really helps them become aware of if their answers are reasonable and so on. So that was my big understanding today.
I would say my big understanding today also matches that, but it also extends a little further, saying that when we are teaching our students and we're not standing up there in front of them giving them just the skills, we have to build an understanding that uses real-world applications that they can take forward and be able to produce an excitement about math that they can build concepts that maybe they haven't even learned the specific skills for. And then that is guiding us and differentiating our instruction and giving us the tools we need to differentiate the instruction for each other.
We really talked a lot about multiplication. We really unpacked that standard with for our 3rd grade group. And we just came away with a better understanding of what our kids need to understand and what that big understanding really means.
And this session also helped us. This session helped us to, I guess, to emphasize that we know students need, well, what students need to know is the vocabulary, and we understand that we are working on that and already do that. We also know that the students need to be able to do the skills and demonstrate their skills. And again, that just kind of helped us understand that we have that in place, but the deeper understanding, it became more clear after having this session what that is all about. And for me, I know that's something an area I'm going to be working on because of what we're doing here, and deeper understanding, that's the goal. So we are very excited to guide our students into deeper understanding so they can demonstrate those skills.
We realized that working on unpacking and reading, unpacking the Common Core made us look deeper at not just what they need to be able to do, but what they need to know and understand that's underneath the skills. Nope, I think you've said it all.
So just a quick summary of what we went over today. We thought it was important, our views on education and how it affects our teaching. Also looking at how big collaborating with our fellow teachers is, and then really important looking at the Common Core standards and how we're going to take them and really apply it to our students in the best way possible. And then I think our biggest aha moment of the day was the unpacking of the Common Core standards and the ideas that we generated. So many ideas that we generated just out of that 10-minute period of time. So yeah, that's about it.
Thank you.
No.
This is probably going to be our opening session.
I learned I look fat on the iPad.